These tuna sandwiches are the perfect way to unlock the full flavor of tuna. You honestly won't be able to stop eating them. One is never enough. You'll want to make them again and again and again. Finally, chop the red onion. Peel and finally chop 2 boiled eggs. Finally, chop the parsley. Add onion, eggs, parsley, tuna and mayonnaise into a bowl. Mix everything thoroughly. Spread the mixture onto slices of toast bread. Add a slice of cheese on top. Cover with another slice of bread to form sandwiches. Secure each sandwich with 4 toothpicks to prevent opening. Cook in the air fryer at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. These sandwiches are simple, cheap, and way too good. Flip the sandwiches and cook for another 3 minutes at 200 degrees. Remove from the air fryer. Cut into triangles to serve. See how crispy they are, and the smell. Mmm!